I'm gonna show you how to make your homemade self-cut system fold. Alright, let's get started.
So I'm going to start out by removing the old hinges and replacing them with strap hinges. And before I start, I'm going to remove the LED light strip. Make sure to only put the strap hinge on the center mirror. And if you ignore this step and just try attaching all 3 mirrors, this will happen. They won't fold properly. Put a mirror on top of the mirror in the center. Then use the top mirror as a guide to see where you should bend the strap hinge. After you bend the strap hinge, attach the mirror and put the light strip back on.
Thank you for watching to the end. I just want to share some quick tips with you. So on my self-cut system right here, I only bend the 2 strap hinges that's on this side because I woke up in the morning, didn't eat any breakfast, and I spent hours trying to figure out how I'm gonna be able to make this fold in. You guys, on the other hand, you guys are gonna have a smoother build. So I recommend you guys just put the strap hinge on the center mirror right here. Put it on this center mirror, and then after you put it on the center mirror, put one side of the mirror in, and then see the appropriate measurement where you should bend the strap hinge at a 90 degree. After you bend it, just attach the mirror and it'll be able to fold in like this. As you can see right here, these little screw holes, these are really just trial and error. I spent hours doing this. If you want it to be exactly flush, you just have to bend it a little bit more down here, but as I said, I was really tired and it folds, and that's all I care about. So you just have to fold it like right there for it to be flush, and do it on both sides. Don't forget to like my junk, comment, subscribe, and adopt me and make you know in the Mars, alright?